friends, welcome back. Today we will talk about the custom command. There are multiple ways to create a custom command. I recommend you to go through this section of the handbook to learn how we can create custom command. I have created a custom command. Let me demonstrate it. You can see that in the main plugin file, I have included this WP-CLI custom command. Now, why have I added this if condition? This is because the WP-CLI related functionality is only available when you execute WordPress or WordPress commands from the terminal or through WP-CLI. By default, this constant is not available in WordPress when you visit from the browser. We need to identify and make sure that this file will execute only from the WP-CLI from the terminal, not from the browser. Otherwise, it will give you fatal errors. In this file, I have created WP couchcon command. So the first command is hello, which takes some of the arguments and associated arguments. And here is the inline. Using these inline comments, you can identify various options with the default options as well, and you can provide options as well. This is the example WP couchcon hello organizers. Let's say hello to our organizers. So we have a simple message. Hello organizers. It's an easy way to create a custom command. What we did is that when WP couchcon command hello organizers executes, this is a function hello that is also the command name. You can also make some changes using the add subcommand attribute in the inline document. You will find more details about it in the handbook. This is hello, which means your subcommand name. And here the organizers is not an associated argument. So it will give you an args variable and then you can just type. So if I pass type, let's say warning, it will tell you it's a warning. If you pass an error, it will give you an error message. So this identifies if you are building the custom command, it will identify whether some things are success or warnings or errors. You can identify the messages in this way. Here the organizer is an argument and the dash dash type is an associated argument. You can see the name here and the type here. I simply use the type which represents the method name of the WP-CLI class, such as warning, error or success, and I have utilized it accordingly. Now I have created a custom command to display the list of posts from the WP couchcon.local site. We can render and we can output that content in three different formats, that is table, JSON and CSV. I have added these examples over here. In a blog, I have created a blog subcommand and then I have just executed the REST API call, got the response, decoded the JSON record and just added the link here. This is the utility function for outputting your results. This is to register the command. Once your command is there, you can just add a command. This is the WP couchcon. This is your main command and this is the class where your class methods will be your subcommands. Let me just execute this command dash dash format equals table. You can see the title and the link. You can see the title and the link that I have got from the response from the REST API of a WP couchcon website. Similarly, if you pass CSV, it will give you the output in the CSV format, so you can create CSV as well. Similarly for JSON, it will give you the output in JSON format. This is just a basic example of how you can create a custom command and how you can perform your background jobs in your migration scripts. Or by using the WP-CLI codebase, you can create tools and perform actions. This is how you have to create a custom command. Here's an example we created, the report command. This command generates report for themes and plugins in a multi-site environment. Specifically, we designed it to handle scenarios where there are over 100 sites in a multi-site setup. It provides a detailed list of plugins and themes, showing which plugins are activated on each site. To handle this, as it is typically a manual task, you would go to the WP admin network, check each site individually, and list all the active plugins and themes. However, this approach is time consuming. To simplify this, one of my colleagues created a custom command called WP report. This command generates a report of plugins and themes across a multi-site network and indicates whether they are activated or not. By leveraging custom command functionality, you can significantly reduce development effort. This command can be reused over multiple projects and freelance accounts, making it highly versatile. With custom commands, you can easily automate your development workflow. As plugin or theme developers, we can identify tasks that can be automated, saving us a lot of time and effort. For instance, if you need to install WordPress and set up a site locally in under 5 minutes, this is entirely possible without needing to open a browser for manual steps. WP-CLI offers a wide range of functionalities, making it an invaluable tool for developers. It truly is a developer's best friend. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Jai WordPress.